Children of God, today we mark the 40th anniversary of the EDSA People Power Revolution. It was a historic moment when millions of Filipinos gathered peacefully to stand for truth and freedom. Alongside the crowds on EDSA was a powerful presence of our very own Radio Veritas. Through its broadcasts, people received updates, instructions, and encouragement. When fear and confusion filled the air, the radio waves carried clarity and hope. Even when transmitters were threatened and signals were cut, the message had already reached the hearts of the people. Families huddled around their radios, listening carefully to every word. The station became more than a source of news. It became a sign of unity. It reminded the nation that courage could be stronger than violence. And 40 years later, we still remember how one signal helped awaken a people.